the new ambassador for Mache is Kate Outlaw.
It's out. Yeah, I saw that. I
Kate
saw that. I
Outlaw.
saw she posted that earlier. I'm
She's
like,
doing
oh,
her
that's
thing. She's in the back of the
yeah, yeah,
motor, doing her
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Yes,
She's
Kate
in
is.
Haiti right now,
Yeah,
ain't she?
she's in Haiti right now.
Ah,
And
nice,
Haiti.
nice, nice.
So I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy for Mache, Blondine. Y'all doing your thing. As you can see, guys, too, that I give them a shout out doing the World Cup event. That you can see their name on the big screen because of such a
Yeah,
beautiful thing they're doing out there in OCOP. So I had to put them out there on the big screen. Shout out to them.
they're doing great things,
Oh
man.
yeah.
You know, guy I feel like yeah
Mhm.
that I like so much is
Mhm.
they're planting palm trees.
Yep.
You know,
Yep.
palm trees everywhere, and I'm like,
That's
damn, that's
yeah.
cool.
That is so
That
cool.
is really cool because palm trees is it's one of those things. You go to the Caribbean, you want to see some palm.
Yeah. You want
You
to see
know what
some
I mean?
palm? Yep.
So
Mhm.
so that's big. Big up to Mache and Blondine for that,
Yep.
man.
Yep. Yep.
Keep it up.